Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the application cache for the Twitch app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password or your other credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the live page from which you can look at various different live streams. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, which will take you into your profile page. Just tap on account settings, which will show you various different settings for your account. However, there is no particular option to clear your cache. So in order to do this, you will need to go into the application info page. Just long press on the Twitch application and then tap on the info button. This will then take you into the application info page. From this page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. Once the application is stopped, tap on the storage menu and now you will see the clear cache button at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it and now this will immediately clear all of your cache for the Twitch application. Once this process is completed, you can go back to using the Twitch application on your device. And now all the cache has been cleared. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear the application cache on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.